Alright, so here we got a Whirlpool Apollo Linea, and the ice maker's not making any ice. So, of course, we checked the filter and the water supply line. Everything's good there. I think this is a pretty common problem on these Whirlpools. You come down here to where the door hinges, and this wire loom here, looks like we got 3 or 4 broken wires right in there where it hinges. So we're gonna end up probably taking the door off to solder these back together, and maybe try and get it so we can keep it from pinching the wires again here. So first thing you're gonna want to do is there's this bottom cover here, and it's just held on by 2 screws, and go ahead and take those off. And once you get those off, you're gonna want to have the doors facing straight out like that, and then you'll be able to pull that back off. Once you do that, you can come in here. It's going to be a couple of 1/4-inch screws that you're going to want to take off. One here, one behind here, one there, one here. And once we get those out, we'll be able to unhook these wires. Alright, so I got some of this black sheathing cut away here. I'm just going to go ahead and you can see there's 3 wires that are cut and a couple more that are on their way. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get any slack in the line here before I end up taking the door off, but definitely going to get these soldered up and see if we can prevent it from happening again. I know it's a pretty common problem on these Whirlpools. I'm surprised it wasn't doing more than just not making ice. So yeah, I'll maybe show you the finished product after I get it soldered up here. But alright, so I never actually ended up taking the door off. I was able to just pull enough out and solder it. I actually cut all the wires and I soldered everything. I soldered about another 6 inches into each wire here, so you know, if it ever does that again, I'll be able to have something to repair to. Also, there's this little clip that's supposed to go here. It seemed like that was almost pinching it a little more than it had to too, so left that off and soldered everything, heat shrinked it, and everything's been working good. So thanks for watching. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Hopefully this helps you out and saves you a service call. Take care.